What is up, guys? Thought I'd share this with you before I put this one back in. So apparently I got some intermittent problems when switch it on the on position. It will just start by itself without getting to start. So I just found the culprit. It will be this little fella. It will just be sitting at the end of your barrel. So there will be two screws, 1 and 2 there, and this will just pop out and take out the connection, and this will come out. So this is in charge of getting that to ACC, on position, and then start. So apparently it's a common problem to a Prado, or they say so. Yeah, I thought I'd just share with you guys. So yes, just basically this one is just sitting like that, like covering that thing. So you have to take it out. Oh, just a sec, mate. And yeah, I'll just take that one out and you're good to go. Happy ass. And quickly just sharing this bad boy right here. Now this bad boy, it's Caleb's truck.
Go on, mate.
Hey, mate.
How are you?
You good? So can you tell us about your truck, mate? The quick.
1987 Hilux Surf.
Nice.
Picked it up not too long ago, just trying to get it off.
Yeah, and apparently they failed on brake pads. And what's the minimum?
Well, minimum for compliance is 3 mil, and
Yeah.
it still had 5.5 mil.
Yeah.
Still heaps of pad. Failed apparently.
And both.
Yeah, both fronts much the same.
Yeah, that's
but other ones
crazy.
are still in there.
Yeah. So yeah, just quickly filming this one, you know, so it will have a before and after for quite some time. So this is the work in progress.
Yeah, let's see what it's like in a wee bit.
Yeah, mate. Pretty cool truck. Yeah, I like this shape. Yeah, and hopefully someday you will get to see this one on the channel. Yeah, because Caleb here is a hardcore four-wheel driver. I'm just a overlander family type, you know. Got an 8-seater there, and this one's just a bush bashing truck. And
All I bought it for.
oh yeah.
That's all I bought it for, going through the bushes, mate. Going through mud ruts.
Yeah, that's the way.
Getting up to the top of the snorkel. Try
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. We'll see you next time.